Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Bitcoin, followed by Ethereum, XRP, BNB, Solana, Doge, Tron, and then we're ending with ADA number 10. Let's get straight into it. BTC against USD. So here we are for BTC. So BTC, I think that it is going to be dropping lower. Yes, the reason why I would say that is because there are already two shooting stars here on the weekly. Okay, let me just put it. Shooting stars on a weekly. Yes, sir. One here. And there's another one here. Oh, boy. So this means that potentially this could already be the end. Sure, we still have a $125,000 target. There is the possibility still that Bitcoin could still go a little bit higher. Hit 125 before dropping. But this is not good. This means that more likely than not, BTC could be entering bear season. Yes, sir. This could be bear season. And this could result in BTC heading back under 100,000. Of course, the first area of support will be at 105,000. Again, this noisy area. Okay, let's just go to it. Yeah. This noisy area is gonna have strong support. Around 105, I would say. Strong support. Right, because this was the inverse head and shoulders. How will we know if the trend is really truly shifting bearish? We clearly break the skinny pink line. We stay under it. That's it. We're going to go much lower from 100,000. If you were to look back in the past for BTC, right, you will notice that every time when we have bearish season, we retrace 70%, right? Top to bottom, how many percent is this? 86%. Top to bottom, how many percent is this? 83%. Top to bottom, how many percent? 72. Again, same thing over here. Top to bottom. What's this? 77. What do you think is going to happen? Let's say, for example, top right. We assume it's going to drop 77. Where will 77% bring us? 1,000. 28,000. Scary, right? That's very scary, right? So you want to be ready just in case things shift bearish for BTC, because if BTC drops, it's going to pull everyone down together with it. So yeah, you want to be very, very careful, right? Previously, before we dropped over here, there was something like a shooting star as well. We went slightly higher, then that's it. It started. So I feel like this could be the same thing. Shooting star, slightly higher, we could already start bear season. Sure, we could go a little bit higher. I think we're going to be dropping back under 100,000, right? And how are we going to be doing things? Yeah, we'll be looking for bearish chart patterns, right? More likely than not, there should be a bearish reversal chart pattern that appears for BTC. Here was a head and shoulders, right? We did touch the skinny pink line though, but we went a little bit higher before really truly slicing back under the skinny pink line, consolidating under it before continuing lower. Right, I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It was 5 ways down. So again, this could be this. Oh my god, it's not good, boys and girls. It's not good. So I would preach caution. I strongly would preach caution. I think BTC is gonna be coming back down pretty soon. So yeah, we're still above the skinny pink line. So technically we're still bullish, right? But how much longer do you think BTC is gonna go? How much higher? I don't know, bros. This is not a good sign. So be very, very careful. Even on the daily as well, we already have a bearish engulfing. Right. Let's look at it. It's already a bearish engulfing. Right. The 2 weekly, bro, it's not a hammer. It's a shooting star. Okay, I don't have shooting stars yet. Okay, today we're gonna do it. Shooting star. All right. Got it. Huh? Yeah, okay, all right. So we're gonna save this. Save as weekly shooting star. Save. And this is how you do it. How you save presets. Not a hammer, bro. Yeah. Weekly shooting star. It's coming down, boys and girls. It's coming down. So yeah, once we start taking out lows, right? Like I mean, when things are rising, right, you wait for the highs to be taken out. For example, the moment we take out this high, right? Did we take out this high here? Okay, let's for example, we take out this high, right? We retrace a little bit before heading higher, right? Again, same thing over here. When we took out this high, right? We retrace a little bit before heading higher. So we will just keep retracing until a point where we take out this low, right? I say, for example, we retrace and then we rally. And if this is a trend reversal, we'll be coming back down to take out this low. The moment you start seeing lows being taken out, pam, take out this low, retrace a little bit, pam, take out this low, retrace a little bit. Yeah, then you know that the trend is shifting bearish, right? Take out this. Yeah, we could be dropping much, much lower, right? 20 something thousand will be. Oh my god. Yeah, so I would preach caution, right? We could be clearing these lows as well. This will be 49,000, 50,000. It's not out of the realms of possibility. It's a possibility. 49,000 clearing these lows. So, there is some noise over here again. So, I'm going to assume there will be strong support at around 44,000, 43, 44,000 here. It could be dropping all the way down here. So, BTC could be dropping 60 to 70% before finding support. Right. So, yep. I think this could be the start of a bearish reversal for BTC. This is very, very, very bearish. It's very, very bearish. So, stay safe. Ethereum against USD. So for Ethereum, we actually had a target right slightly beyond the all-time high over here at 4,008. We have not broken it yet. So Ethereum has been doing banana stuff, banana rallies, right? We took out this high, but retrace. Yeah, but we took out all of these highs, everything before the retrace, right? We did take out this high, right? But we have not retraced yet. So now the retrace is coming. So watch out for this low being taken out. The moment we take out this low, this could be a bearish continuation coming on, right? I hope it doesn't drop this low though. I really truly hope it doesn't drop this low. There is a potential for Ethereum to drop back under 3,000. We're at 4,002 right now. So again, I would also preach caution. The difference is that for Ethereum, there is no bearish shooting star. There's no shooting star on the weekly. So there is the possibility that we could still hit a little bit higher, clearing the all-time high first before a reversal, right? There could be some consolidation over here before heading higher. There's still a possibility for Ethereum. So my take is to wait for this to be taken out first, wait for a retrace, or if we retrace over here, great. Then we can make a long entry soon. I mean, sooner compared to if we broke it. So yeah, if BTC is down, right, it's very, very important to not blindly go long on anything because BTC is going to determine the trend, overall trend for all cryptocurrencies. So yeah, BTC is not looking too good. XRP against USD. Yes, I'm aware that for XRP, we have targets towards the upside. And the targets still remain for XRP, right? 472 and 610. We're still expecting it to hit eventually. But is there a possibility that XRP comes back lower and consolidate here a little bit longer first before breaking higher? Of course. For sure, of course. If you had to count the waves, right, this whole thing will be a 1, down 2, up 3, down 4, 5. This could be the end of the impulsive wave, right? And there could be a long drawn out consolidation, could be like 2028 or 2029 before a banana run that comes on for XRP, right? We could just zip through everything all the way towards $10. But we could be coming down for the consolidation. So as long as BTC is displaying signs of bearishness, you want to be very, very careful, right? Even for XRP, there's no sign of a bearish reversal yet. Not yet. We still have clear targets. Sure, XRP could just, start a banana rally back up, right? Again, if we had to count the waves here, right? 1, 2, 3. This could just be a wave 4. There could be another wave up for a 5. So we hit 472, right? We could also just rally all the way up to 610. So I think there's still another wave coming on for XRP. Potentially, right? Potentially. So we're going to have to wait and see how it goes. XRP still looks okay to me. Just like Ethereum still looks relatively okay. There could be another rally coming on, but BTC is not okay. So yeah, there you go. BNB against USD. Here we are for BNB. Yeah, but okay. BNB also looks okay. it also looks okay. So for BNB, we also have clear targets towards the upside, 1,000 and 1,234, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're still above the support. Resistance, once broken, becomes support. We're still above the support. Right, and it's not exactly collapsing, just like what BDC is doing. It's not exactly. If you look at BDC dominance is already down. So this means that, to be honest, right, this could be alt season, right? Which means that if BDC drops, alts will not drop as much. And BDC dominance could still drop lower. Anyway, back to BNB. I don't see any signs of a bearish reversal yet. Yes, there is a higher high. It could be a reversal coming on, but we're still adamant that we'll eventually hit 1,000 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The Solana against USD. Here we are for Solana. Okay, so Solana could be forming a rising wedge. Rising wedges usually break lower. Right. We're at the skinny pink line. It could be resistance. Sure. We could continue higher. But from a chart pattern perspective, it's just not that obvious. So there's nothing much for us for Solana. Dogecoin against USD. Here we are for Dogecoin. Same thing like Solana. Rising channel. So could be heading lower though. So I will preach caution for Dogecoin. Right. This whole thing could be 3 ways down. We could clear everything here first. Right. But this could be good as well. Right. So we drop here. This whole thing could be the establishment of an A, B, C, D, E. And eventually we go bananas. That would be the best bullish case. So yeah, but for now, we're going to have to wait and see how it goes. Tron against USD. Okay, Tron is just... Tron is just up only. It's just above the skinny pink line. Just barely above. But yeah, the point is that it's still in a bullish trend. So Tron could still inch his way higher and higher. So that's just Tron for you. From a trading perspective, nope. ADA against USD. Here we are for ADA. ADA is broken out of the... We're going to assume this is a potential inverse. Inverse head and shoulders. Something like a squeeze here. Again, even ADA's chart pattern isn't really that high quality. Against USD, against BDC, it is high quality, but against USD is a bit suspicious. Right? This whole thing could be a squeeze. Right? A, B, C, D, E. Break out. But yeah, again, nothing much on the USD pair. So the party is actually on the BDC pair. Alright, boys and girls, hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-ta.